and we're back like nothing happened. As you know, box is now gone. And what are we left with? Man, leakage there, boy. I suppose we could change the thermostat while we're there. Sound. Post even looks like it's a bit moist. That looks like it's a bit moist. But yeah, I'm going to take the clutch off. Oh, these look like a special 12. Let's have a look, shall we? These little, like a multi-sided 10mm. But we got it. Like we're nearly out of clutch on that, come on. It's a good job we changed it, isn't it? Yes. 17. Got it? Need one of these funny sided things. How to stop the flywheel on your own. Oh, it's tight. It's my left arm too. Fuck me, they're tight. Hey. Oh! Please, one left. Come on! Really hurt. Oh, please, I'll set a next one. Oh! Oh! And the bearing is inside the flywheel. Good job we noticed that. Woo! Surprising how this light is pathetic. I only left it for 5 minutes, it's gone flat already. That's all nice and clean now. I'm not going to lie, lads, it's a good job. Seeing the light? I think it's a good job we replaced it. Because that had definitely slipped on the dyno, wouldn't it? He stripped the box down, just rung me up. Says, Gaz, the bearings are sweet. So he's going to replace the 3 seals, the input shaft, the output shaft, and some other seal. I don't know. He says he's going to get them. I think he's got them in stock. And then he's going to put the LSD mod in there and do his magic. And it should be ready potentially tomorrow or Saturday. So, fucking fair play. That's Get Gears transmission, but we'll take you with us when we go and collect it. We'll see what he says, we'll see what he does, and then hopefully you can get it done, or you can go and see him yourself. Price, not bad at all, you know. Looked after me, so hopefully he'll look after you too. Get back to the excitement. Flywheel. Let's have a look. So, supposedly, this is 3.99 kilogram weight. Sorry, being interrupted. Sorry, I'm just inquiring about a car. get it on. Need this little bearing. Put in the middle of it. And then this is for the gearbox on the fork. Too much meat on there, mush. This little bearing here, I'm going to push in with a press. It's not very often we use the press, so I'm going to use it now. The bearing's in. Nice. Ooh. Last but not least, yeah. I'm a little bit all over the place right now. Picking up the camera. I'm struggling with. I'm just trying to arrange going to look at a car. And I was initially going to buy this car a few months ago, but the price went up dramatically. And now it's coming and it's a bit rotten. It needs some love and attention. And the price has come down for something that I might be willing to pay. Oh, that's what I did. Because I'm on my tard. Because I'm on my own. Got the 17mm splined. I put that bolt back in there. Just put a jimmy bar in. And as you can see, it lets me torque the fucking flywheel. How about that? So now I'm going to clean this surface, put the clutch on, and then torque that up. Nice. Just running a tickle of Loctite on them as well, just to be sure. Got the flywheel again. Okay. I'm going to put this and the torque wrench with a step up. I'm now going to search the spec. I think it was like 28 or 23. I need to check. Call that a win. See it? Clutch done. While I was here as well, I put some heat proofing on. So as when the downpipe comes and goes down there, I'm worried about the fan shroud getting hot. So I put some of that reflective tape on, and that should sit us good. I've put the standard clutch and flywheel into the boxes just in case for the future we might need them for nothing. But now I had to stick it to the collection. I think that'll do. Nice. I think that's it. Hopefully we'll get the gearbox back in a couple of days. I think he said he's going to try and get it on a rush for us because he knows we're struggling for time. As it was a last minute thing, getting it done anyway. That gives us time to do the welding or something like that. Oh, it's getting exciting now. It's getting exciting. I suppose I best tidy up in here. But yeah, I've had to adjust the strap to just make it a little bit secure. So, but all being well, that shouldn't go anywhere. It's not trapped, nothing. I've disconnected the accelerator cable because I didn't want it stretching the line. But other than that, should be sound. Battery's off. I'm going to take the ECU out for when I'm welding. I know it probably doesn't make a difference, but it's going to make me a peace of mind. But I think I'm going to tidy up. See what we can do next. A bit busy painting. So I decided to clean up a few bits and bobs, give them a bit of paint. I'm also doing the brackets on the bottom. Let me show you. Just put a bit of effort in here. I've also made a little intake. It's just for now. Obviously it's got the turbo guard on already. But we're done. Where we're at now, can't do any more. So painting, I've had to tidy up, put the tools away. Everything is done. Hopefully we get the gearbox in the next couple of days. And hopefully we get the new pipe, because this V-band doesn't fit this clamp. So we can't get it to work. So I've tried another one, which is made of stainless steel rather than this cast one. It was just too close to the radiator, and we can't weld stainless steel to cast as far as I'm aware. So I've opted and bought a stainless steel version of that, so we can at least cut it off and then make our own downpipe rather than it being too close to the damn radiator. Yes. Nice. That might be it for today. And if it is, thank you for coming. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, all that shit. Share with all your buddies. Much appreciated. Thank you for coming. And I'll see you soon.